Hey, Nellycat.
Yes?
Instead of opening some frozen Kinder eggs, would you like to hear some terrible jokes I wrote instead?
No.
Well, that's okay. Anyways, here's joke number one. If Elsa was a doctor, what type of medication would she give her patients? A bunch of chill pills. Woo! We're gonna need to put a laugh track in that editing. All right, let's try joke number two. You know what Elsa's biggest problem will be when she is gonna maybe be a mother one day? You know what her biggest problem may be?
No.
Letting it go! Letting things go! Okay, great crowd. I appreciate it, guys. You know what really annoyed me about Kristoff? The most annoying thing overall was that, like, the whole movie, continuing the spoiler zone, he took the whole movie just to try to propose to Anna. What is this, 1954? Like, literally, if I just did this, I got more accomplished than Kristoff in the movie. And speaking of which, what was the deal with that Kristoff a Reindeer song in the middle of the movie? Hey, 1994 called, they said, let it go. Speaking of which, Nellycat, do you know what the third Disney movie is going to be called again? Guess what the third Disney Frozen movie is going to be called? Frozen 3, or as I like to call it, the continuous search for a song like Let It Go. Babe, can you get me a blowtorch and defrost me, please? Pretty please?
Nut, 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 party.
Welcome back, guys. Nellycat, do you remember last time you dealt with Frozen 2?
Of course.
Stop all of that noise right now, or else I'm not taking you to the theater to see Frozen 2.
Okay, alright. Hey, Nellycat, real quick, could you please switch my clothes? I'm really cold right now.
Okay.
Wow, dry clothes. I really appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Oh, thank you. Okay, so anyways, guys, let us get started with some magical Disney frozen Kinder eggs. Yes! How come you're not freezing like me right now?
The cold doesn't bother me. Anyways, let's open the first egg.
I think we've told enough jokes already. Let's open the egg. Let's start with this one. Any prediction of what you think's gonna be in here?
Oh, I think it's going to be Kristoff.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go with Elsa. All right,
Okay.
let's see what's inside.
Oh my god. Look at that big Kinder egg.
What do we got?
Anna.
I'm gonna help you. I'll put Anna together and do the reindeer. All right. What do we got?
Anna. Kristoff.
Oh, look. Look what it does with its head.
Yeah.
All right. Give me a nodding beat, Nellycat. All ready?
Okay.
To the camera. All right, give me a nodding beat. I'll go. All right, ready? Follow the beat. Let's bob his head according to my beat. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right, Nellycat. Let's see who we're gonna have join Anna and Svet.
Svet, I think.
Okay, so let's see who's going to join Anna and Svet. Let's do this.
Not Svet.
What?
Svet, I think. Svet.
I thought Svet.
Whatever.
Alright, let's go. Let's see who's gonna be. Wait. We'll see.
Is it the same one?
Oh no, her arm came off. Ah! Well, just wanted to let you know, Nellycat, I understand. It's pretty annoying to get two of the same thing sometimes, huh, Nellycat?
Yeah.
Well, at least we'll try to make up to you later, but in the meantime, why don't you do the outro for us, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna go check up on Mommy and the baby. Take care.